Hello and welcome to the MyHeliotrope student portal. Today we'll be covering how to submit your student projects. To begin, first log in with your purchased college credentials. Once logged in, select Student, and then select Student Project Portal. To start your submission, click Start Submission in the top navigation bar. If you see the You Must Register message banner, you must contact CTS in order to be registered and submit your project. Here we see 3 different fields. You must complete each field in order to continue. Verify that the information in the project type box is correct. Your major, the degree you are working towards, your project type, and the term you will be finishing your project. If any of this information is incorrect, contact the registrar's office. Your first reader will already be automatically added to your submission. If the first reader is incorrect, please contact the registrar's office to get it corrected before proceeding. Senior projects and master's theses need second readers, while senior capstones do not. To add a second reader, click Add New Reader, and then select your reader from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your title and abstract in the appropriate fields and then click Save. Your first reader will then need to approve your title and abstract. And if you change your title or abstract after you gain approval, your reader will need to approve it again. Once you hit Save, you will see 2 new fields. Before uploading your project, you must select a release option. All students have 2 release options for their projects: Open Access or Purchase Only Access for 5 years. Read the descriptions for both before making your selection. You may want to consult with your first reader if you need help determining which selection to make. Next, read the deposit agreement and check the box to agree to it. If you cannot complete the deposit agreement, please contact the Purchase College Library Director regarding alternatives. Once you select Agree, you will be able to upload your project. Select Browse and navigate to your project file, then select Upload. Once you upload your project, you will see a new field which lists out the details of your file. You will also see steps listed out under Project Status. These steps all have to be completed in order for your project submission to be finalized. If you need to replace your project file with a different file, select the Delete button next to the file name. And if you do replace your project file, each of your readers will need to re-sign off on your submission. For more information and help submitting your project in MyHeliotrope, please reach out to the library.